What's up everyone, this is Jacob from DollarTech, and today we are building a budget gaming PC that should be able to run any game out there in 1080p. This is a two-part video, and in this one we're going to present and unbox all the parts we're going to use for the build, and then in the second part we're going to build the PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, for the CPU, we got the Pentium G3258, which was only $68. Then for the motherboard, we got the H81M P33 from MSI for $51. Following that, we got a single 8GB DDR3 Ballistic Sport RAM stick from Crucial for about $40. For the CPU cooler, we bought the Gamax 400 from Deepcool for $30. Then for the graphics card, we picked up the GTX 960 SC 2GB edition from EVGA for $180. For our drive, we went with a 240GB SSD from Silicon Power for $60. Our power supply is the 500 watts 80 plus bronze certified from EVGA for about $40. Lastly, for the case, we got the white version Tesseract from Deepcool for $40. So we're going to unbox all the parts, starting with the power supply. Nothing much to see here other than the power supply itself, along with the power cord and some paperwork. Here we have the graphics card unboxing. You get a few things with it, including a Molex to 6-pin power adapter, a VGA to DVI adapter, and an EVGA metal plate that you can stick on your case. It also comes with a nice poster. In the motherboard box, we got two SATA cables, the I/O shield, a driver disc, and the motherboard itself. With the CPU, you'll get a stock cooler that will replace with the Deepcool cooler we got. You also get an Intel sticker for your case. Inside the CPU cooler box, we got the cooler that comes pre-attached with its fan and some clips and bracket to fix it in place. Not much to see for the SSD, other than the drive itself and some paperwork. For the RAM, you simply get the stick and nothing else. Finally, inside the case, you get a fan already attached in the back, a bag with all the screws you'll need, and the cables for the front ports. So the total cost for this PC was about $500. We will put links for all the parts down in the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you did. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, and stay tuned for the build video that will be posted soon. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.